As the festive season approaches, businesses have a great opportunity to engage their audience through Instagram stories. One of the most effective social media marketing strategies is to create holiday-themed stories that truly resonate with your followers. These can include behind-the-scenes content, product sneak peeks, and customer testimonials, all of which showcase your brand's authentic and festive side. To increase engagement, use Instagram's native features like stickers, polls, and countdowns. For example, a countdown to your holiday sale can build excitement. Polls invite your audience to directly interact with your brand. An example question could be, which holiday theme do you prefer for our next collection? This kind of interaction makes your audience feel involved and connected. It's also the perfect time to showcase your unique offerings with a festive touch. Posting stories that highlight limited time offers or exclusive holiday products will boost visibility. For instance, if you run a bakery, you could feature baking sessions and seasonal treats, giving your audience a sneak peek at the delicious offerings. Sharing customer testimonials during the holidays also helps new customers see how your products bring joy and warmth to others during the season. By using these strategies, you can truly set your brand apart this holiday season. Subscribe, and for more marketing and tech tips, visit georgefiola.io.